In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset TCP/IP on Windows 11. If your PC suddenly can't get online, websites won't load, or your connection drops for no clear reason, the TCP/IP stack may be misbehaving. Resetting it is a safe, built-in way to restore Windows network settings to their defaults without touching your personal files or apps. I'll walk you through the exact commands and what they do, so you feel confident performing this fix. Start by opening the Windows search. Press the Windows key plus S on your keyboard, then type Command Prompt. In the results, look for Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as administrator. This is important because resetting networking components requires elevated permission. If you see a user account control prompt asking whether to allow changes, click Yes to continue. You should now see an administrator command prompt window. That confirms you have the right level of access. Next, we'll reset WinSock, which handles how Windows communicates with network services. Carefully type this command exactly as you hear it, netch winsock reset, then press Enter. The command runs quickly and cleans out the WinSock catalog, which often resolves problems caused by misconfigured network software or leftover entries from old VPNs or security tools. You'll see status messages indicating the reset was successful. Now reset the TCP/IP configuration itself. In the same window, type netsh int IP reset and press Enter. This command rewrites key TCP/IP settings back to their defaults, fixing issues like invalid parameters or corrupted entries. You may see lines showing which components were reset. Let the process finish. Don't close the window until it stops printing messages and the cursor returns to a blank prompt. Once both commands have completed, you're done with the heavy lifting. Go ahead and close the command prompt window. From here, use your PC as you normally would and see whether web pages and online apps behave more reliably. Because we returned core networking pieces to a clean state, many temporary glitches, outdated configuration traces, and odd handshake issues should be cleared out. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Type the command slowly to avoid typos, and remember there's a space between each word. If you prefer, you can paste the commands into the window to reduce mistakes. Also, be patient while each command runs. Interrupting them can leave settings only partially applied. That's it. Your TCP/IP settings are now refreshed. This simple reset resolves many stubborn connectivity